Good evening and happy Friday, family. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully, everybody had a wonderfully blessed day wherever you're at in this beautiful world that we live in. This is your boy Jaime G coming at you to let you guys know what's going on in the wild, wild west of crypto land. I'm that guy that brings you the latest and greatest in what's going on in the Doge and the overall crypto markets. Now, none of this is financial advice, guys. This is just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. So let's just dive right into the content. Guys, as you can see, Bitcoin is at 33,543 with 83 cents. We are currently up 3.83%, which is good, guys. You know what I mean? Considering we've had so much negative FUD surrounding Bitcoin and the overall crypto market, so much bearish sentiment. You know what I mean? People talking about Bitcoin going all the way down to 14K to the lower 20s to the mid 20,000s, right? But so far so good. Bitcoin's been holding its ground, you know what I mean, regardless of all the FUD and all that, right? So in my opinion, that's a pretty positive thing going for Bitcoin. Granted, it is the weekend. There's a lot more volatility and a lot more less volume, guys, on the weekend. And we had Bitcoin options expire this weekend. So they're saying that the weekend might be red, but so far we're starting off pretty good. So we'll just leave it at that and see what happens. All right, guys. Dogecoin is currently sitting at 0.1936, which is the lower 19 cents. We're up 1.72% for the day. Our 24-hour high was at 1.979, which was the higher 19s, right? Almost closer to 20 cents. And our 24-hour low is at 18 cents. Market cap is sitting at 25.23 billion. So we are up just a little tad bit. Yesterday we were at 24 billion. So that's a good thing, right? Being that it's the weekend. And volume is pretty much the same. The 24-hour volume is at 1.47 billion. It pretty much hasn't changed at all, guys. We do need more people to step in and create buying pressure, right? So the price can go up. All right, guys, let's just briefly look at the charts before we get into the fundamentals. Let's see what's crackling with the chart here. All right, guys, so I like to obviously look at the daily chart. So every time when I bust out the chart, guys, it's always a daily, okay? Just so you guys know. All right. So what we're looking at, guys, here, we're going to be looking at the resistance and support real quick. So obviously the bottom white line is our level of support, which is at 16 cents. It's technically 0.1689, but guys, we're calling that 16 cents, okay? And the red line, which is the 20-day moving average, that is our level of resistance, which is at 20 cents, and we're currently sitting at 0.1936. So we're close. We're pretty close to testing that level of resistance, guys. And for those of you that don't know, when you test whether it's support or resistance, but in this example, we're going to talk about resistance. So if we continue to test that resistance, it gets weaker and weaker each time, eventually making it so we can end up busting through it, right, and pushing up. So hopefully we'll test it, and you know what I mean? Hopefully we'll continue to push up. But if not, like I said, that's a good thing, right? Every time you test it. As you can see, 4 days ago, we did currently wick past it briefly, and then we retraced, obviously, right? But the point I'm making is it looks like we're going to be testing this level of resistance at 20 cents. So hopefully we do, and hopefully we will push past it. But all right, guys, the key takeaway from looking at the chart, 16 cents resistance or support, 20 cents is resistance. That's a 20-day moving average. Like I always say, I like to keep it pretty beginner friendly and easy breezy when it comes to the charts and the technicals. Now, real quick, guys, I wanted to briefly show this to you guys again. Now, this is huge news, guys. This is huge, right? So on July 28th, right, which is a couple of days away, 10 a.m. UK time, right? You have the Ross Nickel, which is the Doge Dev, right? Him and another Doge Dev are going to meet up and have a Q&A with Vitalik Buterin, who is the Dogecoin, the Ethereum co-founder, right? They're gonna talk about this and talk about that, right? There's a bridge that is currently working right now between Ethereum and Doge, right? That it's been working, right? But it's not live, right? And they're, gonna talk about how they can make things better and possibly make it come live. You know what I mean? And this is a huge catalyst that can possibly help push the price of Doge, even Ethereum, guys. But we'll have to wait and see when that comes. But I just wanted to reiterate and let you guys know on the 28th, right? That's some good news for Doge. All right, guys. So let's get into this article here. Now, oh, come on. Here we go. Now it says exclusive Dogepalooza is coming in 2021. And here's what we know about the Can't Miss Doge event. Right now, this can be positive, guys. It says highly anticipated festival-like gathering of fans and community, such as you and I, supporters of Dogecoin, has announced it is its initial details, including date, location, and some event highlights. The event located and date was announced exclusively on Benzinga, Moon or Bust. It says Dogepalooza will take place at Constellation Field in Sugar Land, Texas. The field is the home of the AAA affiliate of Major League Baseball's Houston Astros. This event is being held at 12 p.m. Eastern Time till 10 p.m. Eastern on Saturday, October 9th of this year. The venue features a children's playground, splash pad, baseball court, and other family-friendly activities. Now, guys, you know what I mean? If you can make it out to there, you know what I mean? I'm going to put it on my calendar, and hopefully, you know, being a Doge Army, and part of the Doge community, I would really like to take me and my kids there, right, and show them the Doge community. I think this is pretty cool, guys. If you guys can make it, you know what I mean. I'm from out of state, so you know what I mean. It's going to be a little bit of a task to get me and my family there, but nonetheless, I am going to try to make it to this, and this is a huge positive catalyst, guys, you know what I mean, to hang around other Doge community members, right? That's what Doge is all about positivity, right, and spreading positive vibes. So that's a really good thing, guys. It says Dogepalooza will be split into 2 time tiers, with the 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. covering the family-friendly portion, and the 5 p.m. 10 p.m. mean time for adults to let their hair down and party like it's 1999, right? Get your swerve on, get your smoke on, or whatever it is that you choose to do, right, as recreational use or whatever. According to the festival organizers, parking for the event will be free, that thanks to the event sponsors Block Apps Scissors. A private airport is located across the street from the event location. Event organizers say they welcome Tesla, Elon Musk, and Mark Cuban, or others who want to fly into the event. It says Chris Telio will serve as the official event photographer. This is pretty huge, guys. Now it says event lineup. Dogepalooza will feature Donnie Warwick, who will perform That's What Friends Are For live. Warwick is the singer of the other hit songs like Do You Know the Way to San Jose, Walk On By, and I Say a Little Prayer. Damian Elliott, Nomad, is headlining Dogepalooza. He is a Grammy Award-winning producer, DJ, singer, musician, songwriter, and composer. More musician acts will be announced in the future. Right? Ticket information. Dogepalooza will be announced on ticket prices packages in the future. Tickets for the event will be sold online through tickets.com. The venue's vendor and also sold in person at the venue's box office. Tickets will also be sold through the Dogepalooza website, where event attendees can pay for their tickets using Dogecoin. And then it says NFT. NFTs. One of the event's sponsors is Slumdog Billionaire, a Doge-based NFT that was launched previously. The NFT company was supportive in Dogepalooza and helped secure event performer Donnie Warwick. Then it goes, sponsor Gods and Legends will create a special limited edition NFT card for Dogepalooza. That's pretty cool, guys. The NFT will only be available at the event. All right, guys. That was a mouthful. Now, this is pretty huge. Like I said, mark your calendar for October, guys. This is huge, man. You can even take your family out there, right? It's going to be kid-friendly from 12 to 5, right? And then it can be, you know, for the adults from 5 to 10, right, guys? All right, guys. Now, I have a little bit more article here for you. Now, let's get into this article here. This is out of Benzinga, right? All right. Now, it says, Dogecoin community celebrates the low-effort meme day. So, read this loud-effort article about it. All right. Let's see what this is all about. It says co-creator Billy Marcus had hereby declared that it is a low-effort meme day. Who are we to go against the meme lord? So here is a low-effort, sloppily put together article in honor of the momentaneous occasion. It says much meme, such well. Marcus was seen encouraging people of Twitter to make some Dogecoin memes. The Dogecoin co-creator wrote, "They're easy and fun to make, and who knows." Maybe one of our low-effort memes will catch on. Marcus spared all of the efforts and let loose some of his own creations in no time. All right, guys, just showing off some of his meme NFTs for Doge, right? That's pretty cool. All right, guys, what else is it saying here? Now it says it's no trouble at all. It says since we are not putting in any efforts today, so you can do your own figuring out who's Greg's taking a dig at and why. The heck? Waiting for Robinhood wallet. That's pretty funny, guys. You know what I mean? Like I said, who knows how long we might be waiting, guys, because just think about it. If you can pull off your crypto from Robinhood, it can probably hurt them financially. You know what I mean? So it could be a positive catalyst, or it could be a negative catalyst for Robinhood. You know what I mean? Them creating the wallet, right? And being able to be able to take our Doge. That's where I have my Doge, is on Robinhood. Now it says, but if it says decisions don't get any tougher than this for Greg, the meme creator, par excellence, especially when Doge goes down. All right, so this is just a bunch of Doge, guys. Just a bunch of cool, positive stuff for Doge. You know what I mean? If you want to go look it up, keep looking at this. That's what this is, right? Just showing a bunch of people's art and so on and so forth. But it's cool, man. It's fun, right? That's what Dogecoin's all about: is fun and positivity and spreading positive vibes. So I just wanted to share this Doge news with you guys. Now let's get into just a little bit of Bitcoin news here, some crypto news. Okay, guys, I don't want to take up too much of your time. Thank you for still being with me. Now, I just want to continue to point out, guys, that on how institutions are still wanting and desiring crypto, man, and it's the beginning stages. I'm not going to read, I'm just going to show you. Right now it says JP Morgan begins offering 5 cryptocurrency funds to clients. Then you have a billionaire, Thomas Petfrey, investing in crypto, says there's a chance it could be a dominant currency. You know what I mean? And the list goes on positive attributes and positive catalysts, right, for Doge, for Doge as well, right? Because what's good for crypto, for Bitcoin and the overall Bitcoin, guys, is good for Dogecoin as well. Now, I'm going to get into this article right here real quick, guys. Thank you if you're still with me. Oh, man, I hate when it does this to me. When it, I have it right where I want it, right, guys? And then it disappears and it goes, man. Man, I had a story right here, right? Oh, wow. Piece of crap. Oh, here we go. Here it is, guys. Thank you. All right. Excuse me. Now it says Bitcoin payment for real estate gains traction in crypto. Holders seeking monetization. It says crypto investors are betting big on real estate this year as the crypto market continues to grow. New York Digital Investment Group, NYDIG, recently conducted a survey that found that 46 million Americans own Bitcoin. That's equating to 22% of all adults. That is huge, guys. That's a lot more than I thought. 46 million people, guys, own Bitcoin. That's a lot of people, right? That's a lot of people. Okay, that's why I wanted to share that, right? The want for Bitcoin and cryptos is here, guys. People want Bitcoin and crypto and Doge and the overall cryptos, right? Then it says, while optimistic, some cryptocurrency investors have expressed concerns regarding the security, custody, and volatility of the digital. For example, Nickel Digital Asset Management, a regulated European investment manager dedicated to the crypto market, surveyed institutional investors and wealth managers from the United States and Europe who collectively have 275 billion in assets under management. Findings show that 76% of these individuals are concerned about the security of their digital assets. The same percentage said this about the size of the market and liquidity, followed by 71 who see the regulatory environment for the crypto market as a major issue. You know what I mean, guys? So there's still mixed feelings, guys, because you know what I mean? It is a new, digital assets is new, right? It's something new. So a lot of these people don't know the security about it, on how you can use the ledger, the 2FA. There's plenty of ways to keep it safe, right, guys? You just got to do your due diligence. You know what I mean? So, but as far as that goes, people will get over the fears of the security and the volatility. That will work itself out eventually, but that's just part of crypto, right? The Wild Wild West crypto. You know what I mean? It's very volatile. All right, guys. Now, this is what I had for you guys today on this Friday evening. Hopefully it was, oh, real quick here, guys. Amazon. Check this out. Amazon is looking to hire a digital currency lead. Now, guys, Amazon, everybody knows who Amazon is. Right now, you had, who was Google a couple of weeks ago, maybe about a month ago, was looking to hire somebody that had a experience in blockchain and digital currency and so on and so forth. Why? Because these people know, guys, what everything's getting geared towards, right? We're going towards a cashless society, and everything is going to be digital currency, man. You either get left with, you either keep up with times or you get left behind, and that's what these guys are doing. That's why they want to hire people, right, that know what they're doing, right? Because crypto is the way of the future, man, whether you like it or not. All right, I'm gonna close out with this article right here. It says Goldman Sachs, better not leave, you better show up. Oh man, making me look like a fool. Where did it go here? All right, guys. All right. See, my phone, man, it'd be tweaking on me, guys. So it'd be acting all good, and then when it's time to read the articles, it'd be acting funny on me. Oh wow. Oh well, guys. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right, this is where I'm going to close it. It says Goldman Sachs, 18% of world's super rich see crypto as an inflation hedge. Goldman Sachs surveyed over 150 family offices and found that almost a fifth are current are crypto curious. That is huge, guys. And this is people with big money, deep pockets, right? They're interested and they're curious about crypto. Why? Because they see that this is the beginning stages, like the internet, and plenty of generational wealth can be made. All right, guys, you guys stay safe and stay blessed. Hopefully you stayed with me to the end. Your boy is out until tomorrow. Stay peace.